Gonna get one of the packages. Those are the packages right there, you guys. Pretty big boxes. I don't know if it's reverse on my screen, might be. It's I guess Icon Motorsports. That's 2 parts, and then this part, and then I'm still waiting on another part, and then some other stuff, and some emblems, and yeah. So let's see what's up with this. Let's see how this little. This should be the bracket. Get this open to see how big it is. It's funny how it's a big box for a little ass piece. This little piece for the little small piece for this big old box. Nothing in here but the little airbag. So this is the part that I need. This is where the bumper clips on the driver's side. I ended up breaking it. Non-original premium part. Yep, this is the side I need. This clips on there. And the screw. I'll get to work. I'll get this piece on. Using the phone right now, the phone camera while camera's charging, so bear with me if it looks too ugly or something. It don't look that bad though, the camera on the phone. It's pretty stable. So yeah, oh right here. This is what we're replacing, so I don't know if the camera is showing dark or not, but in here there's a little small teeth. There's supposed to have one here too, but that's the one that broke because I forgot how to take off the bumper. I forgot you gotta pull out and then unhook. I was trying to pull instead of unhook. So we're gonna get this piece off and we'll go from there. Alright, you guys ever need to take one off? It's a 10mm for what I'm doing. Loosen it up. Small little screw. I'm not sure you gotta pull it out too. That's the thing though. I don't know if there's videos of this, but I'll try to make one for you guys. Look at this one. So they're like big old clips. So if I pull, I mean either way it's broken, so it don't matter if I pull on it. But then again, I can't yank it off because I don't know. Let me see, where's the flat? Let me grab a flat. Where did I put the flat? Here we go. I don't want to break something else and I'm like, oh shit. You guys know what I mean? Let's try this. No. Pops out pretty much. Yep, it's popping out. I don't want to pop out this side. I'm just being a little slow on it. A little cautious. I really don't know how this works. I can't really get my finger behind this because the frame's right there and I don't want to try to really bend this. I know I already got this side. Might as well. Then again, I have using one hand too. That's what making it hard. Oh, yeah, one popped out. The other one should be able to pop out too. Oh yeah, it's popping out. Let me see if I can. Maybe you guys see it right there. I can probably get the flat in there and push it out. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Shoot. I'll just do it from here then. I'm just a little scared of breaking it. That's why I'm being careful, you guys. Oh, there we go. Pop right out. Alright, I think I broke a piece, but still it's broken. I think I broke one of these teeth right here. But yeah, the frame's still sturdy still. I know I seen a little piece of plastic fly off, but yeah, broke right here with my finger. You guys see it moving? No problem. Oh. Got the new one. Just gotta be careful whenever I do the bumper. Take it off again. Put it back on. Then new one. See the look-alike. Old one, new one. So you guys can see this is what broke on the other one, and then the other one still there. Yeah, kind of broke a little bit. Guys, oh, let me turn this upside down. You guys see the little difference? Oh yeah, this is a push and play then. Yep, pop right in. Yep, just like that. Easy does it. Yep, sure. There it is. Easy does it. Sturdy, and just gotta put the screw now. Where did I put? Screw in there. I'm a little scared not to put the screw back in. Then again, I know I'm doing this right. It's going in smooth. I always try to put everything with my hand like straight. I hate how it moves in an angle a little bit, but I try to stay as straight as possible. And it's kind of hard because you're only using one hand too. Just take your time. I don't know how hard it's supposed to go. It's not getting. Oh wait, it's getting tight. Yep. I don't know how tight I should go, but I think I'll just keep it just enough right there. Yeah, it should stay still. The thing is that why this one's touching it, but this one's not, so it kind of concerns me a little bit. Let me take a look at the other side. Yeah, because this one's touching on top. This frame's like really on there too. Yeah, this frame's a little bended. No, it's not bended, that's how it is. But I mean, oh, you know what? It kind of is touching. I'll be alright. I'll be alright. I know I got it on there because not the screw wouldn't be centered. And not when I pushed it would have not been centered either. So, alright.